Those of you being very ambitious and would like to start printing on paper today, I will show you how to print. So I've got my layout. I am missing dimensions here, so remember to put your dimensions on before you print it. But this is basically what I'm going to be printing. If I go up to the eye and I'm going to do print, I'm going to make sure I've got CAD Lab printer. If yours doesn't have that, then it should have something that says 1152 because that's our room number. But we want to make sure that we do properties because we're needing to change something. The thing we need to change is we need to change the paper source. We want to change it to tray 2. Now sometimes tray 2 does stick, and if you go over to the computer and it says that there's a paper jam, tray 2 is the one right underneath the flap that's open, and if you pull that out, a lot of times you'll have about an inch of paper that's kind of pulled out a little bit, but nothing's really stuck. If you just push that paper back, shut the door, and then you've got to open up the top and then just shut it. Some of you may have seen me do that before, but a lot of times after you do that once, then it will get back online and you should be able to print. So we're going to change that to tray 2 so that it automatically does 11 by 17. Now if you don't want to deal with the tray 2, you can leave it at automatic, but you need to take out the 8.5 by 11 paper and put some 11 by 17 in there. And if I remember correctly, there may be some by the printer, but I think most of it is already in tray 2. So tray 2 is probably your safest bet. And then if you click OK, and then we want to do all sheets. Normally you would have 3 sheets, so you'd click all sheets. You want 1 copy, you want it 1:1 because that will fit full scale, and then you can preview it if you would like to make sure that it's going to look okay, and you can print it.